guys think about the new Star Wars movie?
It was pretty good. I liked it a lot.
The X-Trench effect was really good.
Oh my god. We should oh my god. Yes it was. You're very right.
So, you guys want to go home now and watch it again? Because...
Yeah, come on. Let's cross the street.
And then complain about all those weird flaws.
Yeah, maybe we'll find an Easter egg. I heard there's a guy with blue pants.
Wow. Okay, let's cross the street.
Ah, help! I fell in the hole! Lisa, Frank! Hello? Dudes, we just need to... I fell in the hole. Lisa! Don't worry, guys, I'm coming in!
Alfred's journal number 1. Today we're in the sewer and they're watching me. I have to get out of this place. There's rats everywhere. Save me.
Well, Alfred was jibber-jabbering. Lisa and Frank had other plans.
Hey, maybe we can split up, or we can't split up because, there's too many tunnels. I agree with you, Lisa, said Frank. While Alfred was still jabbering about how he was going crazy. Okay, guys, I have an idea. Let's split up and look for materials. When we get enough materials...
Hey, wait. That is not a good idea. We can't split up. We'll get lost.
It's a sewer. How do you get lost in one of those?
Well, actually, there's a lot of tunnels in them. And, yeah, Frank's right. There's a lot of tunnels.
There's one tunnel leading along the water.
Oh, my God. Alfred, you've broken my mind. Hey, that's not fair. Look, I'm just trying to make it so we stick together and we're okay. I want all of us to get through, no matter how mad. Okay, guys, I think we just need to chill, and I have an idea. We just need to think, but we have to stay together. So how do we think when we have to stay together?
Frag inspiration.
I can't see! I'm blind! Alfred, what do you think? Yeah, Alfred, what do you think?
What I was saying was we could pile things up to make a tower strong enough to climb up.
Oh, okay, that's actually a good idea. Oh,
wow,
stop.
You finally listened to me. Loopy. Oh, I didn't do that, did I?
You're very...
Well, what are you guys doing? Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go, fine. Come on. Wait. Wrong way. Let's go this way.
Guys, I think I found something. Ooh, it's Cockroach Comedy Night!
Oh, we've been going in circles for hours.
I know, right? And it's annoying, because now my legs hurt.
Wait. Ugh! It's hair! Oh, get it off me! Ah! Ah!
No.
Oh, guys! We can use that tree root to get up.
How did we not notice that?
We're very dumb. Yes!
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Yes. Bam, 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 Oh, land at last.
so much for watching The Manhole. Yeah. Credit scenes! Puppet designers, Mary Riggs, Emily Hart, and Olivia Hart. Puppeteers, Mia Rosenthal and Olivia Hart.
Editor, Mia Rosenthal.
Scripter, Mia Rosenthal.
Person laying on concrete, Olivia.